Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this Honda HRV. I apologize, I don't know the exact year. I will get that for you shortly. But we just did a Rydeen BSS2 radar blind spot kit. Now, the BSS2 and the BSS3, very similar kits. The difference being the BSS2 is a slightly older generation with the control module and the two sensors. Essentially, this is a radar blind spot kit. So what does that mean? That means that we have sensors mounted behind the rear bumper. And essentially what these sensors do, there's one mounted behind the bumper here, and then another one mounted on the right-hand side here. And essentially what they do is they create a radar field behind the vehicle that senses when a vehicle is approaching to indicate whether or not there's somebody in your blind spot. So I've got the vehicle running right now. Unfortunately, I can't really give you an exact demo because I would need to be driving the vehicle, but what I can say and show you is where the indicators have been placed. So there's the right-hand indicator there. There's the left-hand indicator there. This system does use GPS for speed measurement. So there's the GPS antenna on the inside of the vehicle facing up. And essentially when you're driving the vehicle, and if you were to turn the indicator on, if there was a vehicle in my left-hand blind spot in this situation, you would hear a beep and you would see an indicator light go off there. Same thing if I did it with the right-hand turn signal, you would essentially hear a beep and you would see that indicator flash. Now, I did mention to you that this system works on incoming or approaching vehicles. So the way that the radar kit works is it senses and triggers this warning light when a vehicle is approaching from behind you at a faster speed. Also, when you're overtaking a vehicle, if you go to do a lane change, what'll happen is obviously on the right-hand side, because this is a left-hand drive vehicle, on this side here, if you were lane changing and you had the signal on and there was a vehicle in your blind spot that it sensed, this sensor would trigger and you would hear a beep. Now, I'll just grab the box that I've got on the front window here just to go over a couple of other things. So you can see, as per the box, the system comes with the speaker / buzzer, the two LED indicators, which I've shown you, the left and the right sensors, the GPS antenna receiver, and then the control unit. The control unit is mounted in the rear of the vehicle, which is basically where the sensors and the displays all connect to. So if you or someone you know is looking for a blind spot detection kit for your vehicle, Honda HRV or other, please give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118. Or visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. We were happy to secure this Honda HRV. And as I mentioned to you at the beginning of the video, let's get the year. I believe this is a 2019. Let's take a look here. This is a 2017. So I'm off by about 2 years, but you can see 2017 Honda HRV now has a blind spot detection kit that it didn't come with from Honda. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you could. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.